In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shorten URLs directly in Google Sheets using a URL shortener add-on. If you manage links in a spreadsheet and want tidy, shareable URLs without jumping between tabs, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it right inside Sheets. Start by opening Google Sheets and the specific spreadsheet you want to use. With your sheet open, head to the top menu and click Extensions, then Add-ons, and choose Get Add-ons. This opens the Google Workspace Marketplace where you can find tools that plug straight into Sheets. In the search bar, type URL shortener and press Enter. You'll see several options. Pick an add-on you like, such as tinyurl for Sheets URL shortener or Advanced URL shortener, and click Install. During installation, you'll be prompted to grant permissions so the add-on can work with your spreadsheet. Review the prompts and follow the on-screen instructions to authorize access. This is a standard step for Workspace add-ons. Once installation finishes, return to Extensions in the top menu. Find your newly installed add-on in the list, and click Start. A side panel will open on the right side of your sheet. Many URL shortener add-ons connect to a shortening service, such as Bitly. If prompted, sign in and authorize the connection so the add-on can create short links on your behalf. You usually do this once per account. Next, place the long URL or a list of URLs into a column in your sheet. A simple approach is to use a header in the first row. Then put your long links underneath it, one per cell. Select the cell that contains a single URL, or select an entire range or column if you have multiple links to process. In the add-on side panel, choose the option to shorten selected. Then click Process or the equivalent button to begin. The add-on will go through each selected cell and generate a shortened version. This can take a moment for larger lists. When it's done, the shortened URL will appear either in an adjacent column or it may replace the original, depending on the add-on's default behavior. Many tools place results in a new column to keep your source data intact, which makes it easy to verify the output and continue working with your sheet. That's it. Thanks for watching.